This will give you a basic overview of Beaver Builder and how to work with it on your website. Let's take a look at the page list and see what we can use Beaver Builder with. Pretty much anything you want. But what we can see here is that some pages have this green dot after Beaver Builder and some don't. What the green dot means is that this page has already been constructed using Beaver Builder. A lack of a green dot means the page was constructed using the native WordPress editor or block editor. Let's take a look at a page built with Beaver Builder. I'm going to open the home page in a new tab and take a look. Now, once the page opens and I float my mouse around it, I can see these blue selection boxes showing up whenever I float my mouse. Basically, these are items on which you can do work. These toolboxes in the upper left-hand corner of each of these selection boxes lets you do work. So, for example, I could move it by clicking and dragging on this move icon. Or I can edit the settings for the content slider, like adding slides, editing what slides are already in there, and a variety of other properties I can modify here. I could duplicate the slider. I could manage or modify the entire column, which is this entire width of the page. I could maybe squeeze it left to right if I wanted to make it narrower. I could set the margins here. So all of these components and rows can be modified by going into one of these tools and doing work. And rows are everywhere. So you get a row on a page, and then inside the row you put your modules. A web page is comprised of a series of stacked rows with modules inside them. Sometimes a row or module might have an orange selection box like this one. This means the asset is global. Changes to it will be reflected wherever this global asset has been placed. We'll review global assets a little bit later. When you're done making changes, you can do one of several things. You can click Done, and then you can choose Discard, Save Draft, or Publish. If you discard, obviously everything you've done will be ignored. It's a great little undo trick. There are other ways to deal with saving work, and we'll discuss those later as well. You can save this as a draft, which means it'll be pulled from publication and won't be on the website, but you can still work on it. Or you can go ahead and publish your changes. I'm just going to cancel out. I'm going to discard. You'll always get this notice if it's detected any sort of activity on the page. I'll just say that's fine. I don't want to save these changes anyway. All right, that's it for the overview.